This is how back panel looks from inside. This is to give you idea where, how many and where this all plastic blue and orange clips located. I have no idea, by the way, why they have a different color. Okay, and this is view from inside. So maybe somebody want to replace this motor or this lock, or the reason I open it is my lock cylinder doesn't work. I don't know what happened with it. So actually I didn't find this lock for this model. There is not a problem to find the same lock for the driver side and passenger door, but I couldn't find for the nowhere like eBay and other places the lock for here. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I try replace that lock, or maybe I will use a lock from the right passenger door. So actually I bought two locks for left and right doors, and for left door for driver side I already use it to replace. So this is I recently installed it. I didn't take a video how I did this, because actually at YouTube there is a very nice video of the some other guy, and I can give a link to his video to show how he did it. So for trunk door I couldn't find neither video or parts how to do this, but I'm really hoping I can use, as I said, the right passenger door lock for this, and also I'm hoping that instruction which I use for the driver door will be pretty much same for this. So what I already did is probably need to restart this video with the flashlight. Oh, okay, maybe not. So first what I did, I turned this blue plastic clip and green. This allowed me to detach this lever, and the second lever is I also detach it. It's this one, it goes to here. So the rule is same, like first you pull it, you rotate it like now, and then after that you can detach lever like this. Okay. So now it should be most difficult